Oh, there's a freaking piece of sand. Ow!
Ow!
I just stabbed myself in the eyeball. Okay. If we were allowed up on the lifeguard hut thing right there, we could take some cute photos. But I don't think we can. I mean, people do it all the time when they go to California and are at the beach and stuff. That dude scared the crap out of me.
We walk by.
But I don't want to chance it here.
Hi.
Oh my Buddha. We're at the beach today.
Your double chin is my face.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a very quiet intro because I'm not comfortable vlogging yet, even though there's like barely anyone here because it's 8 in the morning.
Hashtag social anxiety.
Bob. I don't know why I decided to scream.
Mood.
What was I gonna do?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. We got up early because we wanted to come see the sunrise, but we didn't leave early enough. And then we had to stop a couple places, so it's fine.
It's fine.
It's still pretty out though. Okay, my back is already frying.
Thank you. Thank you. Come again.
I'm sweating.
Gross.
Gross. Don't sass me, girl. Got it. I'm taking my shirt off. Hello. How's it going?
Why do people have
Creepy people.
Just go away.
How's it going? I'm choking myself with that. Oh my god, what doing? You just have sand all over your hand right there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Try me and you might have it all over your face.
Excuse me?
You didn't hear that from me.
Girl,
What?
can you put sunscreen on my back?
Just puts the bottle on top.
It's in that pocket right there.
Oh, it.
I'm gonna take my shorts off too. Ah, look at that. It's a crab. What do you?
Hi.
What's up, bruh?
Do you need sunscreen? He's like, wait, guys, I want to go in the sun, but I don't want to get burnt. Can you put sunscreen on me? Oh, there. Oh, there's another one over there.
Wow, he's big. No, but like for real, he's tiny. Not that tiny, but you know what I mean. Anyways.
70 or 30? You have a 71.
70. We don't want to die. Can we, shall we?
I honestly have, like, I burn, but then I'll tan, so I don't see the point of putting off the screen. Oh, I got sand on. There's sand on you. Freak.
I only put sunscreen on because I don't want skin cancer.
I don't go outside much, so it doesn't matter to me. There's like sand, oh, there you go, your elbow's gonna be fine. But like there's sand granules in it. Well, if you weren't white before, you're white now. Yeah, but sorry about the sand.
You're fine. This is because our blanket's sandy. Oh well.
the hair. Their hair's gonna be fun. There's tiny children's. One of them has a cute little hat. Jiggle. Rub it. Okay. And protect your elbows. Okay, you're all safe now.
Oh my goodness. Oh, so cute.
I can't see myself. Hold on.
Blanket.
I can't see at all. Oh, whatever.
I can always put it on my legs and put on my shirt, I think. So we can get in the pool because we're back home from the beach even though we didn't do anything.